Hold it right there, so. Yeah, no. Straight. It's alright now. Well. Yeah, but as me I say, this right here, so, Holy Love Show, I have to respect all of the artists that I represent. Respect everybody who I represent. Them type of event are Busy Signal and Friends Reggae Festival. Yeah man, and nothing possible without the Most High Jah. Turf, Bell Powerhouse. Same, Stewie, big up yourself. Andrew Crumble, big up yourself. Karon Chum. Yeah man. Yeah, and alright, that's how it all started. Level it. Can we forward and we see a different Hartford. It's different from them long time. They never expect it to stay the same. But I just want to say this, youths. Peace and love, that's the way. Not getting yourself in enough violence, brother. You know, if you wrench up your face for your black brother or sister, and you know, if you wrench up on your white brother or sister, and approve. And love we need. Love we need, Rasta. See? Because if I never love, I preach. And if I never share the things, Jano, I can't talk the whole life story tonight. Book a writer Wall Street. The Busy Signal bio. It's written. Wall Street, 472 pages. Soon available. Because this is not normal. But I just want to say, you tell you no fight, no happy night, no fuss. We can't live in a love like this. See? Who there? Artists them still there, Esco Levi. Forward on the stage. RC if him there. Any artist who did there still forward on the stage. Saska if you're there, forward up. Chris Martin if you're still there. See? See? Forward on the stage. Any artist who are still there. Some of them have to take an early flight. I respect them. I'll be a blessing. Busy Signal Reggae Music Festival. Yeah man. Kananga got you. That's your RC, you know what thing go. Yeah man, every artist was still there. Anyways, as me I said. And let me tell you this. Right now, right here, so be major. Yes. Level it. I want to say big up to Bounty Killer anywhere in the world you stand up. Rodney Price, big up yourself anywhere you're there. You're good at there some club, you're good at stand up around the back like anything. You're good to have your girl on a beat. So real work on her. Big up Godfather Bounty Killer. Saying, never disrespect the killer, I always respect and show love. But see the whole of them artists here. Sasko, Chris Martin, Red Jack, Red Fox, Red Fox, Red Fox, relax, Red Fox, relax, Red Fox, relax. Yes, man. Oh, Jano, man, Jano. Lovely something. You so right, yes, sir. Hard fun. Enough art, I choose some of the artists them couldn't get for forward. But enough artists no live so in our business. Enough artists no live so. Be a people as crew. Oh, me now work first. Oh, me now chat to the ones that say, you know. Not like that boy then. Me now chat to them. Hey, one Chris Martin, me now chew him pants too tight. Me now chat to him. Them boy, yo, them boy, I take when me can. Yo, me all one day measure. Man, just tall and gone up in here. Yeah, man. That's something that you don't need it, brother. See it? You don't need it. And that's something I need it. See it here? Capital there. And that's something I need it. See it? Peace and love. So that's something that I promote. And with the reggae music, not because I not stop the dancehall music, but with the reggae music. See? And we're going to take it to a different level. And this brand right here, Busy Signal and Friends Reggae Festival, a straight across the world we are bringing it. Big up Junior Gang and Steve Romali. Because enough surprise we did not get, you know. But me say I know everything, because Rome never built in a 1 second. See? Rome never built in a 1 day. Big up Junior Gang and Steve Romali anyway. Straight up. Big up 50 Cent anyway. I told you never even did know. See? As me I say, I want it for love and respect. See it here? This is it right here. And a Busy Signal and Friends, I'm happy. Any one of them artists that can talk for themselves and say, yeah, Busy Signal is straight realness. So that's something I want in the art fun. We don't have to dare so for the love show. Everybody can show the love there. And we can build up back this to the level there, because me, the right here so. I will lift up from right here so. It's not impossible for no youth. At the moment, me say the mayor. Me say the mayor send a letter for me. There.
Enough respect, Busy Signal. It's a special gift, you know. The mayor says, Signal, why you lock the city. September 2nd belongs to Busy Signal. Yeah, man, proud. You give the signal a sound. A round of applause, man. Yeah, man. The mayor said, Mr. Bell, September 2nd belongs to Busy Signal and Friends Reggae Festival. So give thanks. Phyllis, give thanks from the city. No, man, big up Phyllis. So Phyllis right there, sir. Oh, Phyllis, make a hat. Phyllis, big up. All right. Take the microphone. This is from the city of Hartford.
Busy, what an amazing show tonight. Wasn't he amazing, everyone? We need more of this positive energy in Hartford, and I am very proud to present you with this official citation on behalf of Mayor Broden that said, be it hereby known to all that I hereby offer my sincerest congratulations in recognition of your significant accomplishment in the music industry. Your philanthropy and activism for human rights continue to uplift residents of Hartford and communities all around the world. Congratulations on all your
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. As me said a moment, I can't chat with words. Big up determined. Determined, me say me there on me head. John, oh, determined. John, oh, determined age. What's the man? John, oh. God, no. Oh, God, man. Hey. Hartford, me don't know what to say. I be a love. I be a love. Me not ball. I see, whoa, well, yes, these are the things I see, yes, right in front of me at 4 years, as I open my eyes. Give thanks to life, oh, yes, no, as the days goes by, comes the sun shining on my face. Enough love. Please take me high so I can meditate. Oh, sing dreams of brighter days. Highest grace we blaze. Dreams of brighter days. Oh yes, giving thanks. Proceed.
Well, as I pop through my window and glance to my, I realize there's no turning back. Hey, got to complete like journey, though things get contrarious. Got to make it to the top. See, I'm searching for a way to survive. Working so hard, I know job will provide. Whoa, see, oh, I'm keeping my head high. Mama tell me,
Dreams and nights are days. Enough love on foot, big up. Enough love. Enough love to all the artists that were there. Generally, enough love. You know what he said? Enough love, enough blessing. Enough blessing, enough blessing. Enough blessing. Enough blessing. Enough blessing. Red Fox. Straight up. Straight up blessing. Big up yourself. You know what he said? You know what he said? I want it for artists, want it for blessing. I'm gonna tell you, say, I love we are preach right here, so. I'm worldwide. Straight up. Sleepy, big up, scout. Refugee, man. Dark.
What a show!
Make some noise for Busy and Friends! People understand, now look for the one next year. Now look out for that, don't you? Yo, big up the whole hustler family, Vince, the whole world country, coast, one big up the whole Sparkles family, Ben, Paul,
Artists.
yeah.
Artists, give up yourself, the elder.
Paul,
Respect.
don't forget to know, Assassin, new album drops, eh? Name Hope. Go and check it out. Hope.
Yo, you remember next year, you know. Bigger and better.
Yeah, man. Next year again, yeah?
Yo, Tommy, big up yourself. Everyone knows that September 19th, we're gonna Waterbury. Tropics, the whole night. Waterbury knows a year thing this, you know. See, big up.
Yeah.
Yo, Andrew Matrix, give thanks, you know. All of the people who turned out, it was splendid. All of the people who were there from 1 o'clock.
Yeah, man. Big up the whole staff.
Big up the whole staff.
Big up the cock star now.
Big up the cock staff, big up on yo. Yo, carry on the whole it come like, whoa, Pablo, I want to hear it. Douglas, Christine, big up yourself.
Safari.
Yo. Kirby Diva, Pablo.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, Safari and Yannick. Right, that's up.
September 22nd.
September 10th.
September 22nd. Access granted. Say, party house.
Big up designer family. Yo, thanks so much for turning up. Yeah, man.
Yeah, thank you very much, people. It was a good look. Like
Oh, gas, man.
Yeah.
Big up cancer every time, brother. In the end, yo, much thanks and respect.